Welcome to Montevideo! Today we're in Uruguay. This is our last port on our Antarctica cruise, and Holly set up a walking tour, so we're gonna go check out the city. Good morning!
Good morning.
Welcome to Uruguay.
Here we are.
Hey, this is my 50th country.
There you go.
Well, technically 49th because Antarctica is not a country, but I'll count it.
We're just doing a walking, strolling tour today. We've had a lot of big excursions, so we're just stretching our legs. They gave us a free walking map. It's in Spanish, but it has all the highlights, and they also have a green path painted on the road for tourists to follow, so it's pretty easy to just walk around for a little bit.
Holly's walking tour through Montevideo.
Montevideo.
Yep.
Or Montevideo.
Neat street.
It feels very European. It reminds me of the town we stopped at on the Virgin Cruise.
Yep.
Like a French European city.
I like it.
They told us last night that 1 million people live here, but because it's summertime, like everyone's on vacation, and so it will feel, it's already a super relaxed place, but then like nobody's here because it's summer, so everyone's on vacation, so it's even more relaxed.
She's already busting out the trick shots.
Okay, so this is the San Francisco Church. It was built in 1863 by a French architect. It didn't just serve a religious purpose, it was the symbol of Europeanization of Uruguay. During the late 19th century, Uruguay was becoming the Switzerland of South America, and the construction of such a grand French church reflected the country's growing wealth and its desire to align with European cultures.
We're at the courthouse and they just got married. Yay. Like a street market, but with also touristy stuff. The Teatro Solis. What do you know about this place?
I don't.
Nada?
I think it's like where they have the opera and the ballet and stuff.
Wow. It's right next to the Presidencia Uruguay, which I think might be the president's house. But I'm also probably wrong. Very
Look at the black and white, like,
checkered.
yeah.
The Teatro Solis.
So there's a lot of free spaces in the theater. Yeah. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit, and there's also a baño downstairs.
A lounge. Oh, it's like a little cafe.
Cafe. Oh, big cafe.
Wow. Nice. Cool. Parrots I've got here. They're just like pigeons. When we were coming into the bay, we noticed this ship graveyard. There are so many dead ships. It's wild. Huh?
Quite the beautiful water right? This is it.
We made it back. Last port on the last on the day. Dude, they don't play games.
Is that the car's alarm? Never goes.
Wow.
What if they dropped it?
There you go. See you later. See you later.